टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ लोकमान्य ग्रुप इंग्लिश बालभारती स्टँडर्ड 8. Hello dear students, I am Mrs. Pradnya Karpade, English teacher. Today we are going to start Unit 3, Poem 3.1, The Plate of Gold, written by James Henry Lehart. Children, first we are going to start this poem, Poem 3.1, The Plate of Gold, by doing warming up exercise. See the warming up exercise. In that, question number 1. Stories can be told even in the form of poetry. Such poems are called narrative poems. Narrative poems do not always follow rhythmic pattern of a fixed rhyme scheme. It means that some poems called narrative poem. Narrative poems do not follow any rhyme pattern, not rhyme scheme, not even rhyming words to be ended. Such poems are called in the style free verse poem. Recall and name some narrative poems you have done or read earlier. Children, you might have remembered that you have read a poem, Vocation, written by Rabindranath Tagore in Unit 2nd. So, Vocation poem is also a free verse poem that we have learned. So, in that poem, no rhyming words, no rhyme scheme, narrative poem. So, this poem, The Plate of Gold, is also a free verse poem and narrative poem. Second, read the poem below and fill the gap in the gap, choosing appropriate pairs of rhyming words to make them meaningful. So, here one poem is given, but some fill in the blank or space is there. We are going to fill that with the appropriate rhyming word or to make that poem meaningful. So let's start filling the words. See in your textbook some words pair given. We are going to select a proper or suitable pair and we fill in the blank. Little drop of water, little grain of sand, make the mighty ocean and a pleasant land. So sand and land, these two words are rhyming words. Thus the little minutes, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Be and eternity, these two words are rhyming words. Last stanza, little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make this earth an Eden like a heaven above. Love and above, these two words are rhyming words. So this little thing, the name of this poem, Little Thing, this poem is not a narrative poem because this poem have a rhyming words. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is A, B, C, B. So B, a word sand, and again B repeated, we are end land. So sand and land, these two are the rhyming words. So each stanza rhyming words are there. So this poem is not a narrative poem, not a free verse poem. Children, in my next video we are going to start this poem, Poem 3.1, The Plate of Gold.